The Game Mastermind is a short film that tells the story of Sarah, a young game developer with a passion for video games. Sarah spends most of her free time playing and studying games, and she dreams of one day creating her own game. Sarah's journey begins when she decides to turn her hobby into a career. She starts by working as a junior developer for a large game studio, but quickly realizes that the company's focus on profit over creativity stifles her passion. Sarah wants to create something truly original and innovative, so she decides to strike out on her own and develop an indie game. Sarah's indie game is a puzzle platformer that features a unique mechanic where the player can manipulate gravity. Sarah spends countless hours designing the game's mechanics, levels, and art style. She works tirelessly to create a game that is not only fun to play but also visually stunning. As Sarah develops the game, she faces numerous obstacles. One of the biggest challenges is funding. Without the backing of a large studio, Sarah has to rely on her savings and a small crowdfunding campaign to finance the game. The campaign is a success, but it's only enough to cover the basics. Sarah has to work long hours to make ends meet and continue developing the game. Another obstacle Sarah faces is technical challenges. Developing a game is a complex process, and Sarah has to learn a lot of new skills to create her game. She spends countless hours researching and experimenting with different programming techniques to ensure the game runs smoothly. Despite the challenges, Sarah perseveres. She believes in her vision and works tirelessly to bring it to life. As the development of the game progresses, Sarah begins to get more and more excited about the possibilities of what she is creating. She feels a sense of pride and accomplishment as the game starts to take shape. When Sarah finally releases her game, players are blown away by its innovation and creativity. The game's unique gravity mechanics and beautiful art style make it a standout in the crowded indie game market. Players appreciate the amount of love and care that went into creating the game, and it quickly becomes a cult hit. Sarah's game is a success, and she becomes known as the Game Mastermind. Her peers recognize her as a talented developer who is not afraid to take risks and create something truly original. Sarah is proud of what she has accomplished and is excited to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of game development. In the end, the Game Mastermind is a story of perseverance, creativity, and passion. It shows that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, anyone can turn their dreams into a reality. Sarah's journey inspires us to follow our passions, take risks, and pursue our dreams, no matter how difficult they may seem. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below to let me know. And if you know someone who would benefit from watching this, please share it with them.